Students, now in this session I will explain question number 2, 3 and 4 of exercise 8.4 chapter 8 decimals. Now what is there in question number 2? Expressed as meters. So we have to convert the following sums which are under question number 2 into the meter form. Fine. How? Using decimals. Okay, before that we have to know that, see, all the question in question number 2s are given in the centimeter form. So we have to know what is the relation between centimeter and meter first. Then only we can do all the sums properly. Now we know that 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. Fine. Then 1 centimeter would be what? 1 by 100 meter. Okay, so this is a relation, that is 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meter. That means any number which is having a centimeter unit, and if that particular unit need to be converted to the meter form, so what you have to do with that number? Here could be any number, students. Fine, 40, 5, 7, 10. Okay, so what you have to do with this particular number? You have to divide that number by 100. Okay, so this is what we have learned, that is 1 centimeter is equals to what? 1 by 100 meter. Now what is the first question? The first question is excuse me, 15 centimeter. Now you see, if 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meter, then 50 centimeter would be what? Obviously what I said that what you have to do with this number? You have to divide this number by 100. Simple. Meter. Fine. So how to convert it into zero form? That is 2 zeros are there. That means after 2 digits you have to put decimals. Since there is nothing in the whole number form, so we have to put 0. Okay, we will never leave the whole number form empty. Okay, so 0.15 meter. So this is the answer. Let's do sum number B. Now what we have in sum number B is 6 centimeters, students. 6 centimeters. So 6 by 100 meter, we have to divide this number by 100, isn't it? Now convert it into the decimal form. So 2 zeros are there, but only 1 digit is there. So how to fill that gap? With 0. So now 2 digit is there, put 1 0. Now whole number form should not be empty, so we have to put 0 here. So that means 0.06 is the required answer. Now what is C? C is 2 meter 45 centimeter, students. 2 meter 45 centimeters. So first of all we will break this with plus sign. Now you see this form is already in the meter form, so we will not touch this, but this is in centimeter form, so we have to convert it into the meter form. How to do that? That means we have to divide 45 by 100, students. Okay, now convert this from the decimal form. 2 meter plus 0.45 meter, isn't it? Now add 2.2 plus 0.5. 2 means 2.00. 0.45, that means the answer would be 2.45 meter. So 2.45 meter. Okay, students, now let's move on to sum number D. In sum number D we have 9 meter 7 centimeter. Very, very similar to sum number C only. So the first thing we'll do, we'll expand this. Now 7 centimeter can be written as 7 by 100 meter, isn't it? And 9 meter will remain as intact only because it is already in meter form. So 9 meter. So what will be the decimal form of this? 70.0 meter. Now we'll add this 9 plus 0.07, that would be 9.00 and 0.07. So that would be 9.07. That is 9.07 meter. Okay, so this is sum number D, students, and sum number E of question number 2. All of you try it on yourself. Okay, now let's move on to sum number 3. Now in question number 3 we have to express as centimeter. Now you have to convert everything into the centimeter form using decimals. Now all the questions are given in millimeter form. Now we have to understand the relation between millimeter and centimeter, students. So we know that 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter. So 1 millimeter would be what? 1 by 10 centimeter. Okay, so this is your required relation. So any number which is having millimeter as a unit and you have to convert that number to a centimeter form, you have to divide the required number by 10. Okay, this is what you have to do. Now let's do question number A. So what is question number A? We have 5 millimeter. So what we have just discussed, any number having a millimeter form, and if you have to convert it into the centimeter form, what you have to do with this number? You have to divide the required number by 10. Fine. Now convert it into the decimal form. How many zeros are there? 1. So it would be 5 point. There is nothing in the whole number. So what we have to do? We have to fill that gap with 0. Fine. This is your required answer, students. Now let's do the second one. That is number B. B we have 60 millimeter. So 60 millimeter means what? 60 by 10, isn't it? Now 60 by 10 means was 0.6 centimeter. Okay, so in place of 6.0 centimeter, you can write 6 centimeter also. Both are okay. Okay, now number C. What is number C? We have 164 millimeter, students. 164 millimeter. So what we have to do with this number? We have to divide this number by 10. Fine. So now finally we have to convert it into decimal form. How many zeros? 1. That means 4. Then we have to put decimal. In whole number form there would be 16. So 16.4 centimeter. Now let's do sum number D. So what is sum number D? We have 9 centimeter 8 millimeter. 9 centimeter 8 millimeter. So that would be 9 centimeter. We will not change this form because it is already in the centimeter form. We will change this part. Okay, that is 8 millimeter and it could be written as 8 by 10 centimeter, isn't it? Now 9 centimeter plus 8 by 10 means 0.8 centimeter. Okay, so 9 plus 0.8 is what? 9.8 centimeter. Okay, and sum number E, all of you try it on yourself. I believe everyone can do it now. Okay, so now let's move on to question number 4, students. In question number 4, what we have to do? We have to express as kilometer. Now we have to change it into the kilometer form. And all the questions under question number 4, they are carrying a meter unit. They are having meter unit. So you have to convert meter into kilometer form. Fine. So the relation is what? 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. So that would be 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So this is your required relation, students. So 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So any number having meter as an unit, find meter as an unit, and you have to convert that unit to kilometer form. So what you have to do with this number? You have to divide the required number by 1000. So these are something we have to remember. Now the first question we have, number A, 8 meter, students. So 8 meter means what? We have to divide this 8 by 1000 to convert it into the kilometer form. Now we have to convert it into the decimal form. So 3 zeros but only 1 digits. So we have to fill all those gaps with 0. Now see, 3 digits are there. Put some point. Whole number part never should left empty. So we'll put it 0. Okay, now let's do sum number B. Now what is sum number B? 88 meter. 88 meter. That means we have to divide this 88 by 1000. So the required answer would be what? 8. The 3 zeros are there. 2 digits are there. So we have to add 1 more 0. Now see, 3 digits. After 3 digits you have to put 0. Okay, then and the whole part you have to also put 1 0 here. So this is the required answer. Number C, 8 meter. So you have to divide this 8888 by 1000. After 3 digits you have to put points. 1, 2, 3. Now put 1 point. In whole number form there is already 8 is there, so this is kilometer, students. 8.88 kilometer. Now let's do the last sum, that is sum number D. We have 70 kilometer 5 meter. 70 kilometer 5 meters. So first expand this plus C. 70 kilometer is already in the kilometer form, so we'll not do anything with this unit, with this value, so we'll keep it as intact. Now put plus sign and convert this into the kilometer form, so that would be 5 by 1000 kilometer. Now 5 by 1000 means what? 0.005, and if you add 70 plus 0.005, you will get the answer as 70.005 kilometer. Okay, so that's it for today's session, students. Thank you so much for joining and watching my video. God bless you all. Take care and stay blessed.